My car is so fast.
Tom loved his toy car.
You can do it!
The car moved very fast. Watch this turn. Watch this turn. Uh-oh.
Sound, crash. Oh no! The car was broken. Tom felt sad. It broke.
Don't worry.
Let's take a look. I think we can fix it.
Really?
Come help me. Dad got his tools. Fixing things takes patience.
Huh?
Here you go.
Oh.
Almost finished. The car looked good again.
Let's see if it works.
It works. Tom learned that broken things can often be fixed.